see him?
Yeah, I see him.
You see him now?
Shoot, I lost him. Where'd he go? Oh man, I lost him. He's right over here. Here he is. It's a sea turtle.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
He's right next to us too.
He's still in the same spot. Look at how small he is.
Yeah.
Oh, where'd he go? Oh
Go down,
man.
going that way a little bit.
Ah man.
Those are our fishy friends.
Fishies. We fed them this morning.
Yep, now they won't leave us alone.
Well, I looked terrible this morning. Both Russ and I didn't get very good sleep. And I knew we wouldn't.
I still look amazing though.
Yeah. Yeah, it's morning on the boat. We're gonna head to Key Largo just for another beach day, then head back up to Homestead to stay, and then head back up to Miami to stay our last night. So not much going on for the last few days. Yeah.
We're looking at Pitbull's yacht right now.
Oh yeah.
The rapper Pitbull.
Pitbull's yacht is right over here. I'll show you guys. Yeah, that one right there, that big one, that's Pitbull's yacht.
No, that was Pitbull's yacht. The one on the left is Pitbull's yacht.
Oh, that big one.
Pitbull's new yacht.
That one was one that he sold for like 1.3 million. And then that one, you can see the butt of it. One thing I don't think we did yet, but I mean, I can do after the fact now. I mean, it's not as dirty as it was, but I'll give a quick tour of this boat. It's a smaller boat than what we expected, but it's still a nice boat for the two of us.
Absolutely.
So here's Russ relaxing on one of the benches. We got our two kayaks right there at the end, and another bench that I'm on. There's the front of the boat, which you can also see through this window here. Nice. We actually sat out there yesterday and looked out. And right down here, we got some steep steps. The bathroom, not much to see in there. Small. It's a little table with some benches. This bench right here actually comes out. This actually goes in deeper in there, so it's another bed. Very kind of uncomfortable, I guess. Russ slept there last night. There's a tiny little kitchen right here with all of our stuff that we got. Little gas grill right there. And then a tight little bed that I slept on last night with a little fan attached right there, which was helpful for a little bit. And then I surprisingly got a little chilly last night. It was a cool experience. I myself don't know if I could do this again. Just at least not here in Florida. Maybe where we live. I don't know. It's a little tight. Even yeah, it's a bit tight. So we're at a state park. Apparently there is some water or coral reef or whatever.
It's a coral reef park. We aren't going to see the coral reef, I don't think. It's just our last day going to the beach.
Yeah, we're going to a beach and we're going to see the water before we get too extremely exhausted, because we already are. And then we'll check into our hotel and it'll be our last night, and then we'll fly back home tomorrow morning.
No.
Not tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
The next morning.
Yeah.
All that stuff on the ground is called sargasm. Sounds like sarcasm. But it's a little smelly, a little gross looking, but the water looks fine. Beautiful day for the beach. Are you gonna get snorkel gear? Have you decided? a very sad day. We're back here at the beach. We lost Russell's wedding ring. We may not get it back because it's lost. So we've looked everywhere and we've been retracing our steps. We checked in with visitor center. We checked with people who were laying there after we had just gotten back, and it's not there. It's not at our spot, so I want to cry right now. We found it. I'm hot. Really hot. I'm tired. It's been a woo. It popped out of his pocket when he sat down in the car because it was on the other side of the seat. Oh my god. We were here for at least an hour more than we wanted to. Yeah, we attempted to leave at 3 and it is now 4. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so long story short, Russ put his ring in one of the pockets with elastic. So, and he even told me that he was like, I purposely, like, mentally remembered, oh shoot, I don't want to swim with this, I'm gonna stick it in my pocket. And he was so upset at himself. He's like, I should have just put it in your purse and left it in the car, because that's where I left my purse, because I didn't want to leave my purse out where everyone can see it. But we had our key card and oh my gosh.
So we just spent almost an hour and a half looking for our ring on a beach. Evidently it fell out of my pocket right as I got in the car, even though, what the hell? Like,
You looked in the car.
I looked in the car and I looked through all the stuff in the car. We never even found it until I lifted up the seat, so it must have been stuck inside of some mechanical part of the seat. And then it fell out of there. And holy crud, I will be getting a rubber ring so I don't have to lose this one, and we'll just keep this one to where it doesn't get lost. I feel so much better because I was feeling like crud. Well, I'm gonna just say it. I was feeling like crap while we were looking for that thing. We're gonna go get some food and get some drink and maybe get some drink.
Feel better. We're gonna feel better.
Yeah. It's 6 years of our life and the meaning of what it is.
Any of you who know Murphy's Law, so anything that can happen will happen. And that has been this freaking vacation. Oh my gosh. Granted, thankfully, more good has happened than bad. I call this Murphy's vacation.
Oh man, my nose is...
We just finished up with the pool. I gotta show you guys this. This is the TV in here in our room, and it says my name. That is so new. Never had a hotel to do that. We're gonna get in the shower and go to bed and start the day tomorrow. It's gonna be hopefully a little bit more of a relaxing day since we don't really have much going on tomorrow except turning in our car. So good night. See, now it says bon voyage, Ashleigh. Thank you for staying. Ooh, that's so cool.
Where's my name?
That's under my name. The rest of the night are getting ready to go. I haven't put on any makeup today because today is an I don't care kind of day.
Ooh.
Yeah, because we're literally gonna get out of here, return our car.
Yeah.
Oh, Russell's baby.
I have to give her a hug.
We'll have to have the top down one more time.
Oh, we're going to.
Okay. We just packed up everything. We're ready to head up to Miami again. That'll be fun.
We're only going up the road to where we turn our car in. That's not that much traffic. And then We have an Uber person driving us the rest of the way, so they have to deal with the traffic.
Ooh, that'll be nice. Well, I didn't vlog it, but we turned in our fancy car. Russ is sad. We're here at our hotel. Our Uber brought us here. She's very impatient, but she was nice. Now we just have to sit here for 5 hours so we can check in. We'll probably go get some lunch or something sometime, and I don't know. Play it by ear, I guess.
One pathetic sob story later.
So we finally made it to our room. We took a nice long nap, which was much needed. Got a really nice room. It does say welcome Ashleigh to me this time. But anyways, we're gonna go down one floor because we're on the 7th floor, but we're gonna go down one floor and go to dinner and have a drink. Our last drink here in Florida. Yep, because tomorrow we're gonna wake up bright and early to get to the airport. Bright and early. And literally there's the airport right out the side window from the hallway down our room. Here's the restaurant that we're going to.
About to leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distraction.
Bright and early, we're heading home.
My foot hurts.
I know, Russ hurt his, oh my gosh, I got another bug bite.
I stubbed my toe getting into the shower.
Yeah, he stubbed his toe getting in the shower, and my stomach just hasn't been feeling good since yesterday, and we're ready to get home.
Yeah.
There's Nana! Well, she didn't see us, so she's going back around. Apparently she didn't pass us. No! No! Alright, I see her again. Let's see if she comes to us this time. There she comes. Oh my gosh, if we weren't right in the open, she wouldn't park. Hi, baby boy! Oh, sunglasses.
Hi, buddy.
Oh!
Hey, can I have a hug?
Oh, here, let me move. Oh, it's so pretty.
There's a shiny star. That what I found at the dirt one.
Oh, yeah? It's so cool. Charlotte! Charlotte! Go on! Go on, get out of that car! Get out of the car!